Okay class, today we are doing a multiplying quiz.
Oh no! I forgot to study for the quiz. What should I do? I know. I'm going to pull the fire alarm so I can skip the test. Ha 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 ha.
Alright, now I'm going to pass out the quizzes.
Mr. Dowie, may I use the bathroom?
Sure, but be quiet, because we are going to start the quiz.
Okay, here it is. The fire alarm. Now time to pull it. Ha 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 ha.
It looks like we are having a fire drill again. Everyone line up. Alright everyone, I'm going to do roll call to make sure that everyone is here. So if I call your name, just say here. Stan.
Here.
Nemo.
Here.
Mowgli.
Here.
Electricshep925. Wait, where is Electricshep925?
I'm here.
Where were you at Electricshep925?
I was at the bathroom.
Oh, yeah I remembered. But anyways, I will doing roll call.
When Mr. Dowie Doman finished doing roll call.
Attention everyone. You may now re-enter the building now, because someone pulled the fire alarm, and Electricshep925. Please report to my office immediately.
Electricshep925. Did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes! Because I don't want to do the math quiz.
Electricshep925. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are suspended for 16 weeks. Go home right now.
When Electricshep925 got home. Electricshep925, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded for 16 weeks. Go to your room now.
Washington, A.